Hello guys, we are going to just do a very quick video here and we're going to correct this worksheet assignment that you had. It was two problems on finding the x and y intercepts. All right, remember if you're trying to find the x-intercept, so when you're going to find the x-intercept, y is 0. So that's what we're going to do first, is we're going to find the x-intercept. So in place of y, I'm going to put a 0. Well, -3 times 0 is 0, so this just reduces. So we have 6x equals 12. And we're going to divide both sides by 6. So the x-intercept is 2. So now we're going to go to the x-axis and put a dot at 2. All right, now we need to find the y-intercept. So remember, if we're looking for the y-intercept, the x is 0. So in place of x, I'm going to put a 0, and then what I'm going to do is solve for y. So 6 times 0 is 0, so this just goes away. So now I have -3y equals 12. Well, I'm going to divide both sides by -3. So here they cancel and get 1, so we get the y-intercept, and 12 divided by -3 is a -4. So the y-intercept is a -4. So I'm going to go to my y-axis and go 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a dot. And once I have my two dots, I can connect them with a line and put arrows on the end. And what did we find? That y-intercept was 2. All right, let's try the next one. All right, let's find the x-intercept. X-intercept, y is 0. So 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 20. So 4 times 0 is just 0. So we're left with 2x equals 20. And to get x by itself, we're going to divide by 2. So the x-intercept is 10. So make sure you go to your x-axis and put a dot at 10. All right, now we need to find the y-intercept. So remember, if we're looking for the y-intercept, x is 0. So 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 20. So 2 times 0 is 0. So I'm left with 4y equals 20. So we're going to divide both sides by 4 so that the y-intercept is 5. So go to your y-axis and put a dot at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we have our two dots, so we can connect them with a straight line and make sure you put arrows on the end. All right, hope this corrected it and clarified any questions that you might have on the x and y intercept.